Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate on ISAM's parent portal. After you have logged in, you will need to access the school profile. Click on the school profile, and these are the two things that you can see on the school profile. You can see the school timetable or the school reports. Click on school timetable, and you will be able to view your child's timetable. If you have more than one child, please select the other child from this drop-down menu in order to view his or her timetable as well. Okay, now I want to view the report cards. I'll go back to school profile and select school reports. And here's the place where I can view my child report. And then I can download the report in this way. If I have more than one child, then I will select the other child and download the report for the student as well. That's it. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.